Good day, guys. Being here today, let's just quickly model this shape. Okay, so it's a mess, and so we're going to try to create a little bit of the patterns. Okay, so this is from Sama, and he used a very small circle on the top, and then an ellipse, and then use some profile to create this shape. Okay, so let's do it. So first, let's create a conceptual mess. And okay, so I'm going to use the point. So I'm going to place a point first. So I'll place a point, draw on world plan, and I'll just place this point in the middle. And then I'll place another point, draw on world plan, and set world plan on the horizontal world plan of this point and place it. So now select the point, go up. So you will see this is the offset. So we can just, if I type in a number, so you will see it will go down. So which is, so this can be the height of this family. So if you want to make this parametric, you can just create a parameter. So here. So for this exercise, I'll just roughly place it here. So now we can select these 2 points and create a spline and make it reference line. So now we can place place points, use draw on face and place it on the face. Oh, sorry, on the line. So I'm going to just place 1 point on this reference line, and then reference. So for the top, I'm going to use I'll just use this. Oh, maybe I'll use ellipse as well. So draw on world plan, set world plan, pick horizontal world plan of this point, and then let's just place 1 here. So, and also for ellipse, you can create, so see, you can create 2 parameter to control the shape, the size of this. So we can do it. So for example, I'll just call this R1. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. So I'll just use type. And then this one will be R2 type. So now, actually, maybe I should name them differently because I want to use this as a base. So maybe I'll call it, let's go back to family types. So this one will be R1, maybe R1A. Okay, so R1A, maybe lowercase a. Okay, so this one becomes R1B. And okay. So now I'm going to select everything here. So this point, this ellipse shape, and also these 2 dimensions. And CC, and select this point, pick new host, place it on this. So of course, place on face, and place on this reference line. So now we have 2. Now I'll just drag this down. Okay, so drag this down. So you will see it become 0. You can type 0 here. It's the same. And then for this one, I'm going to change the parameter. So it's still R1A. So I want to change this one to R2A. Okay, so and this one becomes R2B. And now this one I want to place at maybe at 25%, so it will be 0.25. So it will sitting at 25%. Okay, so and same if I copy So you can copy multiple. So for example, I'll just copy 3 because we need another 3. So place another one. So this one will be in the middle, and then so this one be R3A. This one will be R3B. And so we can just adjust the location of the dimensions. So and okay, so this one will be 0.75, and also this one will be R4A and R4B. So okay, so the last one. So last one, I think we don't need them because I'll just make it very small. So I'll just place on on the line. So type in 1, it will go to the top, and then I'll just type in a very small number. So for example, 100 for this one and 100 for this one. So of course, when these two dimensions are the same, it becomes a circle. Okay, so now we can create. So select the profiles, Control select all of them, and create a form. So you can create a form. So now we can just go to family types. So we can start to adjust all these dimensions. Okay, so let's try. R1 will be the base, so I'll just increase this. So 5 meter, maybe 9 meter, 4 meter. Apply. Okay, so maybe this one becomes 5 meter and 10 meter and 6 meter and 9 meter. So this one will be not sure, 6 meter again, 10 meter. Okay, so let's have a look of the one same I did. It's more okay, so more narrower but more smooth. Okay, so let's go back. I think we need to reduce. Hang on, let me just rotate this. We need to reduce the width maybe. So I'll just change this one to 4 meter as well. This one to 4 meter and 4 meter. So we need to increase this one. So which is R3B and become, let's try 10 meter as well. Apply. Maybe increase a little bit. So maybe reduce a little bit to, yeah, I think it's close. Maybe need to reduce this R1A. So and R2A as well. So yeah, and maybe looks like still we need. So what we can do is we can actually move this point up a little bit. So let's have a look at HR. So see, it's more. Yeah, I think it's better. So you can also do this. So adjust the point. You can even create a parameter for these points, but I'll just stop here, and maybe this one, change to this one. Okay, I'll stop here. So now this is the shape what we are looking for, but how do we do this? A little pattern. So actually, so it's quite I think the easiest way is just cut some void onto this. So let me show you. So let's go to some of the elevation, maybe this one. Okay, so you can do this. So place some reference line. Okay, so let's just draw some reference line. So I'll just draw some one. So for example, this is just a random reference line. So you can also draw it. So this is south. You can go to east. You can draw reference line on different in different elevation. So now, so you can actually see the reference line. Oh, yeah, reference line here in 3D view as well. So now what I'm going to do is just create some void. Okay, so go create. We need to, let me think. We need to place some. Yeah, I think we need to place some profiles. Okay, so that's fine. So let's place 1 point. Okay, so 1 point on this drawn face and place it on one of the this reference line. And then reference, and let's just draw a rectangle, very skinny. And oh, hang on. Yeah, that's okay. Draw on world plan, set world plan. So pick this world plan reference. Sorry, pick the world plan of this point. Okay, so this one perpendicular to the reference line. Okay, so this one, and then we just need to draw a shape. So for example, this, and a very thin thing. Just make sure. So tab, select one of the reference line. So we can just make it very thin, maybe 20. Okay, so this is a profile. So this is the path. So select both of them. So the full reference line. So which is a rectangular shape, and together control select this reference line, and then this will, you can create a form. So just click on this drop down list, so you can directly create a void, and now you will see it will automatically cut this. So let me just TL, so you can see it actually cut through this void. But so for if you want to just create a view for that, you won't notice that's the cut through the whole mess. It looks like just a line. So this is how I think we can do it. So this way. So you can also rotate this point. So for example, you don't even need to draw to match that point. So you can rotate. So for example, if I type in 45 degree, and oh hell, looks like there's some issue with this one. The reason we have this is because we only have one profile. So I'll show you why this is happening. Okay, so let's go back, Control Z, and I'm going to select this void, and it looks like I can't change it to solid. Okay, that's fine. I'll just delete it, and I'm going to just create a solid instead. Okay, so let's create a form. So this is the solid form, and the reason why it won't work when I rotate this 45 degree, and because we only have one profile, so part of this solid is keeping the shape of the, this is the previous shape, and actually both end, so this end and this end, both end is keeping the previous profile, and then because we change this one, and it twist this shape to become a actually very interesting shape. Anyway, so let's just delete this one. So to avoid this, so you can just select everything here, CC, select point, and place a new this time just place it here. So, and then you can create a shape. So just use these two. So now, if you want to, you can select these 2 points and rotate them together. So if you want to keep the, a flat face, or you can change, you can have different angle to twist this face. So for example, if I type in 0 and 45 degree, it become twisted. Okay, so now you can just change this from a solid to void, and then that's it. It will cut a line onto this mass. So if we want to have some curved line, I think it's possible. So yeah, I think that's it. So you can just do this, select them, so the point and the profile, CC, just copy them, so multiple of them, CC, and then place new host, place it here, and I'll just place another one here, and then create a void. So you have another line. So I think this is it's all manual, but not hard. Okay, so you can achieve this one quite easily. So that's it. Yep, I won't do all these the rest, but I think it's quite quite simple. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, so let me just finish this one. I'll just do another one. Okay, so this one, where should I place this one? Maybe place it on this one, and this one, and place it on here, and maybe I'll rotate one of them a little bit, so just make it a little bit more interesting. So don't worry about this, and create another void. Okay, oops, what's happening? Control Z. Hang on. Yeah, that's good. That's good as well. So let's have a look again. So 1, 2 should be 8 proof. Yeah, 8 reference line. So let's try again. Maybe what we need to do is, because Revit sometimes Revit doesn't understand what we want to achieve. So maybe just rotate this back so it becomes parallel, and then it's easier for Revit to understand this one. So see, and then we can rotate one of them. So what's this? Yep, it's still okay. So now you will see it become a little bit curved, but so this is the, let me try to pick the void. So this is a void. Okay, so yeah, if you select this mass, you will see all the void cutting it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.